Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to clear or delete Windows Update Cache in Windows 11 PC. So before we start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want delete or clear Windows Update Cache, I will show you how to do. First of all, open your services. Then search here Windows Update. You can see here Windows Update. Select and right click. Click on Properties. Click on Stop. Click on OK. Then close it. Then double click on this PC. Click on C drive. Click on Windows. Then search here software distribution. You can see here software distribution. Double click on software distribution. Click on delete. Select here download folder. In this, select all files and folder. Then click on delete. In this way you delete Windows Update Cache in Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.